respect for wananchi. Ruto has become a heartless tyrant. We are determined to get this situation corrected. Therefore, we are here to announce that our Kamkunji meeting is on in Nairobi this Friday, as we had announced. But it is not just a Kamkunji in Nairobi, but a Kamkunji across the country, where this third liberation will be launched. On that day, 7th July 2023, that this coming Friday, among other activities, we will launch a signature collection to signify our rejection of Kenya Kwanza illegitimate regime and its policies, especially the punitive taxes. As we speak, fuel, food, fare are all going up in prices. In fact, fare is already going up by 30%. Fellow Kenyans, as a people, we are not given to suffering in silence. We don't kneel before dictators and beg for their mercy. Even the few who do still suffer humiliation and even death. So we fight. We express ourselves loudly and clearly on issues affecting us. So we have got to fight, and that fight begins on this Friday. We need unity now more than ever. United, we can get many of the things that we not only desire, but which we justly deserve. From Friday, let's proceed with bold determination that we are going to stick together. We are going to work together. Let us stay with this fight until the end. We abhor violence. By embarking on pickets, protests, tax boycotts, and civil disobedience, we are not in any way advocating violence. We have never advocated violence in the past. We will never advocate it now or in the future. We believe in the law and the rule of law and will act within the law. But only weapon that we have in our hands is our sovereign power to picket, to protest, boycott, and embark on civil disobedience. And we begin this on Friday, July the 7th. And fellow Kenyans, we want you to know that we are right, we are not wrong. By resorting to civil disobedience and protests, we can't be wrong unless the law itself is wrong. The same law that sets up the governments and its institutions like parliament, the courts, the police, etc., allows us to picket, to protest, and engage in boycotts and present petitions. We are not wrong. We are acting within the law, and we expect nobody to frighten us. We must never be made to believe that we are wrong when we protest. And Martin Luther said, and I quote, that is Martin Luther Jr. He told us, now it means sacrificing. Yes, it means sacrificing at points. But there are some things that we've got to learn to sacrifice for. And we've got to come to the point that we are determined not to accept a lot of things that we have been accepting in the past. Unquote. As a country, we are at that point. We invite all our people to prepare to join the Kamkunji in Nairobi and in different other places across the country on Friday. I want to repeat that it's not just in